Hello children. In the previous class, we have learnt about three-sided polygon, that is triangle. Now in this class, we are going to know about four-sided polygon, that is quadrilaterals. Coming to the definition of quadrilaterals, a polygon which is made of four sides, that is quadrilateral. Okay children. So in this figure, we are able to see that this is a polygon and it is having four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four sides. And also it is having four vertices. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will name these vertices as suppose A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D are the four vertices, and a quadrilateral is having four vertices, that are A, B, C and D. A quadrilateral is having how many sides? Four sides. It is also having four sides. Name the four sides. AB is one side, BC is one side, CD is one side and DA is also one side. Four sides. A quadrilateral is also having four angles. Okay children, see, this is one angle, this is second angle, this is third angle, this is fourth angle. Okay children, now we will try to name the four angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Now here are some figures children. In these all figures, you can see that all these are polygons and they are having four sides. So these all are quadrilaterals. Like how we had different type of triangles, the same way we too have different types of quadrilaterals. Today we will learn about two types of quadrilaterals only. Remaining type of quadrilaterals we will learn later in the 6th class. Okay children. So two types of quadrilaterals we will learn about now. Now here are some figures children. Now you have to identify which of these are quadrilaterals. Here we can see this is a quadrilateral because it is a polygon which is have four sides. So it is a quadrilateral. This polygon is having only three sides. So this is not a quadrilateral. And if you see this one, this is having six sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This polygon is having six sides. So it is not a quadrilateral. If we observe this one, this is also having four sides. This is a quadrilateral. If we observe this figure, it is a circle, not a quadrilateral. It is not at all a polygon. First of all, this is not a polygon because it is made up of a curved line, isn't it? It is not made up of straight lines. So it is not at all a polygon. Now if you observe this one, this figure is also having four straight line segments. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is made up of four line segments. So it is a quadrilateral. So from these figures we observe that this one and this one. These three only are the quadrilaterals. Here we can see that children, these two are quadrilaterals. Now when we talk this type of quadrilateral, this quadrilateral opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay children, they are parallel as well and also they are equal in their lengths. Okay. Now this opposite side, another pair of opposite sides of this quadrilateral, DA and CB are also parallel to each other and also equal in their lengths. Okay. A quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and parallel, then that is called as rectangle. Okay children, for example, this is a rectangle and suppose this is 5 centimeter and this length is 5 centimeter and breadth is suppose 3 centimeter. Okay. Now, what will be this length, the third length, this one? This one will be same as this length, that is 5 centimeter. And what about this length? It will be same as this length. This is breadth length. So, this is will be 3 centimeter. Now, we understood children. And one more important thing about rectangle is all sides are also equal and 90 degrees. All the four angles in a rectangle is 90 degrees each. Right angles. Okay children. Suppose children, this is one figure. Okay. And we can see that it is a simple closed curve, isn't it? Yes. Now, whatever the region is inside, this is called as interior region of this figure. This is the interior region. This or the area which is occupying this one is the interior region. And this one children is the boundary of this one. Okay. This is the boundary. This is the boundary of this figure. Now, the exterior of this figure is the outside part of this plane. In this plane, this is the interior of this figure. This is the boundary of this figure. And out of this boundary, whatever region is there in this plane, this is the exterior of this figure. Similarly, children, we also have interior part and the boundary part and the exterior part for the rectangle also. Okay, this one is the interior part of this rectangle and this is the boundary of this rectangle, and remaining part is this all outside part is called exterior of this rectangle. Now children, suppose this is the length of the rectangle and this is the breadth of the rectangle. Length is of 5 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Okay. Now I want to know the length of this boundary. Okay. The length of this boundary. Now what we have to do? We have to add the sides, isn't it? Then only we'll get the boundary length, isn't it? So here boundary length is equal to all the four sides we should add, isn't it? That is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay children. Now here we can see that AB is of how many centimeter? This one 5 centimeter. Plus BC is how many centimeter? 3 centimeter. Plus now CD is how many centimeter? 5 centimeter. Plus now DA is how many centimeter? This one 3 centimeter. Now, if you add all these numbers, children, 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3, how much? 16 centimeter, isn't it? Now, the boundary length which we have calculated, the boundary length is given one name, that is perimeter. This is only called as perimeter. Okay, children? Whatever the simple closed figure is there, okay, if we measure the length of the boundary of that figure, that is only called as perimeter. Okay children. Now here we can see that Now children, we have seen that perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, isn't it? Now what is the AB children? This one is, we call it as length, isn't it? So here I am writing length plus. For this BC is nothing but breadth. So I am writing B, breadth, plus. This one is what? CD. CD is again length, no children? So CD is again length. And DA, this one is same. So breadth. This is DA is breadth. Now here we can observe that L is coming 2 times and B is also coming 2 times, isn't it? So if now this can be written as 2L plus 2B. 2 into L plus L 2L, isn't it? B plus B 2B. Now in this both 2 is common. If we take out, then it will be L plus B. That means this L plus B, whatever is there, suppose if we add this one and this one, okay, 5 plus 3, 8, isn't it? But that 8 is repeating once again, L plus B plus L plus B. 2 times it is repeating, isn't it? So, this one can be written as 2 times of L plus B. Okay? Now, this is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Suppose children, this rectangle is having, this is 10 centimeter suppose, and this is 5 centimeter. This is also 10 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter for this rectangle. Now we know that perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B. Now we'll put it in this formula and we'll find out. 2 into, what is L? Length. That this is length. That is 10 centimeter. Plus, what is breadth? This one, 5 centimeter. Right? Now, which is equal to 2 into 10 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, that is 15 centimeter, which is equal to 2 into 15, how much? 30 centimeter. Okay, children. So, the perimeter of this rectangle is 30 centimeter. We can check it also by adding all the 4 sides. Okay, this one is how much? This side 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter plus 10 centimeter, 25 centimeter. And 25 centimeter plus this 5 centimeter, 30 centimeter. Okay, children. Coming to the second type of quadrilateral, children, that is a square. Okay, square, here we can see that all the sides are same. Okay, all the sides are parallel and also same. Okay, children. In the square, all sides are same. Suppose if this is 5 centimeter, this side also will be 5 centimeter. This side also will be 5 centimeter and this side is also 5 centimeter. Now, this one, if you want to find the perimeter of this square, okay, then adding its sides, isn't it? So, perimeter of the square is equal to, perimeter of square is equal to this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. That is PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Okay, which is equal to 5 centimeter plus QR also 5 centimeter plus RS is also 5 centimeter plus SP also 5 centimeter. Now we can see that 5 centimeter is repeated 4 times. The same number 5 centimeter 4 times it is added, isn't it? So we can write it as 4 into 5 centimeter. Okay children, 4 into 5 centimeter. This 5 centimeter is nothing but side, isn't it? 4 into side. Now this is the formula for finding the perimeter of the square, children. Okay, so perimeter of the square is 4 into side. Suppose one square is there, which is a side is given as 6 centimeter. Suppose the side is 6 centimeter. Now perimeter of the square we have 4 into side, isn't it? So this perimeter will be 4 into side is given 6 centimeter side. So into 6 centimeter, which is equal to 24 centimeter. Now children, we know that a polygon is a simple closed figure which is made up of line segments only, isn't it? Now here we can see that in this triangle which is having 3 sides, all sides are same. All sides are equal in length. Okay, and if we observe this one, okay, this is a square because all sides are same. Here also it is 4 sides but having all sides same. In this way children, if the polygons are whatever polygon it may be, if it is having all sides same, then that type of polygons are called as regular polygons. Okay children. Now coming to this polygon, it is a regular polygon because all the sides are same. So it is a regular polygon. Okay, and this regular polygon which is having 3 sides, that is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. The perimeter of this equilateral triangle will be what? Here all sides are same. Okay, then the perimeter of this equilateral triangle will be 3 into side. Okay, if the side is given as suppose 4 centimeter, right? 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. 3 sides it is having. So 3 into that 4 centimeter will get 12 centimeter. Okay children. So an equilateral triangle which is also called as a regular polygon of 3 sides. The formula of finding perimeter is 3 into side. Now coming to this one, it is a square, 4-sided regular polygon, that is square. Okay. The perimeter of square we have seen 4 into side, isn't it? Yes. So how many sides it is having? All sides are equal. How many sides it is having? That is multiplied with the given side. Okay children. So this is the perimeter of square, 4-sided regular polygon. Now coming to 5 sides. This figure is having 5 sides and all sides are same, equal length. Then this one is called as regular pentagon. A polygon which is having 5 sides is called as pentagon. But if all the 5 sides are equal in length, then that is called as regular polygon. The perimeter for this regular polygon will be what? 5 into side. If one side of the regular polygon is given, then we have to multiply with 5. Then we will get the perimeter of the regular pentagon. Next, coming to this one children. Now it is having 6 sides. A polygon which is having 6 sides, that is called as hexagon. And if all the sides are same, equal length, then it is called as regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. The perimeter of regular hexagon will be 6 into side. Okay, children. Now similarly here 7 sides are there. This is called as heptagon. And if this heptagon is having all sides same, equal, so it can be called as regular heptagon. Regular heptagon. Perimeter of the regular heptagon is 7 into side. Next. Similarly, for octagon, if it is 8-sided polygon, that is called as octagon. Okay, and if all sides of this octagon are same, then it is called as regular octagon. Regular octagon perimeter is what? 8 into side. So in this way, we need to find the perimeter of the regular polygons.